Hello. Thank you for tuning in to Black History Month with YP. For our last week, we'll be filming in a very special location, the one and only Nappy Roots Bookstore right here in Oklahoma City. Now introducing Camille Landry.
Hi, I'm Camille Landry from Nappy Roots Books, Oklahoma's premier black bookstore. We're at 3705 Spring Lake Drive in Oklahoma City near Northeast 37th and Kelly. We are a lot of things to this community. We're a bookstore. We're a community gathering space. We are a political incubator. We are a nexus for the community coming together to do what the community needs. We're a communal learning center, and we are soon to become Oklahoma's only black art gallery and cafe, by the way. People ask, what do you do here? First and foremost, obviously, we sell books. We sell books by, for, and about people of the African diaspora. We sell history and geography books. We sell literature. We sell poetry. We sell all manner of books devoted to, by, and about black people. That is critically important. It is important for every black child, man, and woman to be able to know about our history, to know about our culture, to get inside the heads of other black people, to experience the lives of other black people, and to also, we have a good selection of local authors here on our shelves. So for people who are finding their own voice and publishing their own work, this is a home for that too. And during these deadly cold temperatures that we've had in the last week, with the snowfall and everything, people were literally in danger of their lives, of losing their lives. We opened our doors, as did the Northeast Community and Cultural Center across the street, so that people who needed shelter could get it. We're also acting as a supply depot for donors to come in and drop off cash, for one thing, for us to buy what we need, but we have sleeping bags and blankets and tents, warm socks and gloves and hoodies and food to give to our sisters and brothers who are living without shelter during this most difficult time. This is something that was made possible because we have a place here where people can come together to do what's needful for our community. It's not official. We don't have a charter. We don't have a mission statement except to be of service. So I invite you to be part of this effort, whether it's coming here and helping with tutoring a child who needs help with academic work, or an adult, whether it's a matter of helping to provide food for people who are hungry, shelter for people who are homeless, or if you have an idea that is of benefit to this community, you have a home here, a place where you can meet, a place where people can come together for us to take care of our business. So thank you very much for all of your support. If you're interested in donating to Nappy Roots Books, go to our website, nappyrootsbooks.com, or our Facebook page, Nappy Roots Books, and you'll find a donate link. We are a 501c3 nonprofit. Your donations are tax deductible. But come be a part of the success of the Northeast community of Black Oklahoma.